Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how I did this braid with 4 strands because I made this bag and a lot of people were interested on how I did this handle. So this is a 4 strands braided handle. So I'm just going to show you how I did this one, which I think a lot of you know how to do it. And I will just show you the way, but in a miniature, because this one is really a lot of work. First, because each strain needs to have at least one skein of yarn. Okay, so let me show you how I did it, but I will show it to you on some t-shirt yarn, okay, because that one is really thick and is easy to braid. Okay, so yeah, I will bring you with me on how I did this 4-strand braided handle. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new, I hope you are considering to subscribe. Check my Etsy shop for patterns, and also you can check my Instagram, my Facebook, so you can follow me on social media as well. Okay, so with all these things being said, let's just get into it. Okay, so first of all, I took this t-shirt yarn. So each t-shirt yarn represents 1 strand, okay, which I did with 1 skein. And then I calculated more or less the length that I wanted here to have loose. And then I did a small knot, like this. And this one I hanged it somewhere because you need to hang this one, and I'm going to hang it here and pin it just to show you, okay, how I did the 4-strand braiding. And then you just take all 4 of them like this, and then what you do is take the second one, lay it over of the third one like this, and then you take this one and roll it over, and you take the outer one, roll it over the third one, and like this. And then you just do the same what you did before. Take the second one, roll it over to the third one, pull it a little bit, and then you just roll over the second over the first, and the fourth over the third. Okay, this is the second move that we do, so it's just like this. And then again, take the second strand, pull it over the third one, okay, and then just roll over. Take these ones and roll over and put them in place. And then take the second one, roll it over the third one. Yeah, so just work like this.